Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to reply to Google reviews. So start by searching Google for your exact business name. So I search this name right here, press enter. Now once it appears, select view profile to open your Google business profile. Now on the right side, scroll down until you see reviews and click or select Google reviews right here. Then find the review you want to respond to. So you can click View Full Review. So at the top, select Reply to Reviews. Then in here, type in the message you want to reply to and click Reply.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
You also don't need to turn every response into a sales pitch. Your viewers are already engaging with your business, so you can avoid unnecessary advertisements or incentives. So once your response is posted, you're all set. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.